Okay, so now that we've had a chance to set up our project schedule in just the right way, now that we've gone through the steps of making sure we have things populated on our RAID log, now that we've worked through some of the details for how we get things arranged so that we, the project managers, can make efficient use of our team's time and of our time to be able to make sure that we're checking things off in just the right way, let's zoom all the way out and take a closer look at the dashboard for how exactly we can accomplish that on a week-by-week, day-by-day basis. So noticing that we've got some of the workflow automations that are taking some of the work out of our hands, it's going to be important for us to be able to keep a bird's eye view on anything that might be happening, especially highlighting any of those pieces that might need our attention that are not otherwise being accounted for. So my best practice, my advice to you, is to make it a point to actually pull up this project dashboard every time you're having a project team meeting. Now, whether that's with your internal project team resources, or additionally, whenever you're having discussions with stakeholders, steering committee members, this is going to be useful for making sure we keep alignment across all the different aspects of what we're working on. And if there are pieces that people think that we should be focusing on that are not getting the right sort of attention, the right sort of conversation, people have the opportunity to visualize that and speak up as well. It also puts us as the project manager in a position where it's not me hounding you for something, it's the project plan that we've put together that dictates that this is something that needs our attention at this stage of the game. And so it does give you a lot more leverage as a PM to make sure that whenever we're working on something, it is the right thing that we should be working on at the right time. And if there is something that starts to slip, that should be readily apparent for what we have on our dashboard, either from a schedule perspective or an issues tracking perspective, so that nothing gets lost along the way. Hope this is useful.